Welcome, Cookmasters! Let's turn a classic into a culinary masterpiece. Get ready for gourmet grilled cheese comfort food redefined. You'll need artisan sourdough or brioche bread, sharp cheddar, gruyere and mozzarella, caramelized onions, fresh thyme or rosemary butter or olive oil for vegan optional truffle oil, tomato slices, or a spread of garlic aioli butter the outside of your bread. Layer cheese, caramelized onions, herbs, and any extras inside. Grill on medium heat, pressing gently with a spatula. Cook until the bread is crisp and golden and cheese is irresistibly melty. Slice diagonally for that perfect cheese pull. Serve hot with a warm bowl of tomato soup or fresh greens. This isn't just grilled cheese, it's an experience. Simple, satisfying, and totally gourmet. Turn your comfort food into kitchen magic. Like, share and tag a friend who needs this recipe. Cookmasters.